You are a local business owner, plus if you are in your local website, but you don't know your website is well optimized or not with this video shortly explained, then you can easily identify plus compare any website, then you understand your website is all optimized or not all optimized. Basically most of the local website owner, they are confused and they are struggling. Their website is not ranking is at the search engine result page. That's why they are not getting traffic, leads, and more calls. Not really, this video shortly explain. Actually, I'm already searching dentist in London, and today I'll show two ways how you identify. First way I am use extensions, and second way is you go to the any website and then go to the inspect sections and then show the issues. Then you can easily identify. Okay, but I prefer first way is the best. Use extension, not way. This both way I will shortly explain. First extension is detailed extension and second is SEO mirror. This both are same provide service means show the result, but I prefer detailed SEO is the best. Even Google app provide detailed SEO is the best way. You can identify your basic SEO optimization. Then you can identify your website is optimized or not. Okay, I'm already open. First website is not all optimized and second website is all optimized. Then you can easily understand. That's why I'm show the examples. These two website. Okay, I'm go to the website and go to click right side in my use and go to the inspect sections. Click right left icon and I'm click hold on control plus help and then I'm right now check title. TLE title, then click enter. This their title home well her dental. This not good in my point of view because is a point of SEO rules you need to use 60 55 to 60 plus over the more than 65 character you need to use, but this website not follow these rules, but it depend on website. Most of the website you can and check and they are not gonna follow SEO rules, but they are getting traffic because they are already getting traffic in burning, but they are not follow SEOs. And I'm search right now meta descriptions. They are not using meta description. Now I'm go to the heading one. Check heading one. They are not use heading one. Go straight heading two. Yeah, they are using heading two, but then their main are not follow. They are not use heading one. This is the main issues why they are not getting traffic because Google not easily understand their website is all optimized or not. Plus, not identify what their basic purpose is. Okay, it's called title because most of the also use title in heading one. I think you gonna understand. Okay, how you understand, but I don't wanna make very critical. Sorry, you can understand, and that's why I'm using extensions. You can use detail SEO or SEO mirror, but I use detail SEO. Go to the Chrome extensions bar, click at the Chrome, then I show because I'm already downloaded. That's why I don't wanna show. No, no, okay. And firstly, go to the or not all optimize again. Go to the detail SEO extensions. Click detail SEO extension. Look at this. Their title. Not gonna use SEO. Who's not use descriptions. The ID is no URL. URL. Okay, I go to another page. Then can understand. Not use a adding one. This is the first website. Go to the adding bar. Then you can understand there is adding three, four, two. Not use one. Okay, and third is link. They are not use anchor. That means this page is called orphan page. I think you're gonna understand. And Google don't love orphan page because when Google come your website, then they are go to the crawl your website page to page. It's called internal linking. This the anchor is made so important internal linking, but they're not linking in another pages. This one they are not rank easily. You can understand. And go to the image section. They are use image 8 without alta 6 with our title 8. That means they're not use any extra rule. Then how Google understand their website is all optimized or not. What are schema sections? They're not, they use schema but not properly use schema their website. Then Google never rank their website. I think you're gonna understand. Okay, right now I'm going to the all optimized website and look at this. I'm going to the detail sections. There use SEO rules, as descriptions, URL canonicals, plus there use H1, H2, H4, H5. Everything's there properly implement their website. I think you gonna understand. And it's not they are used for our roles that are not, it's depend on your website content, most of the things, title, editing one, editing two. But you can easily understand what you can check it with this, just title, meta descriptions, URL, canonicals, heading, links, image section, schema section. That's enough. You can understand your website basically is done or not. Okay. And look at this. They are used 15 characters. That's good. They are follow US rules, but their title is not gonna professional, but they're ranked because I think in my point of view they are getting traffic in their GPP Google Business Profile. But there is follow rules. That's why they are ranking is every search in regular page. There is meta descriptions, URL and heading one, and go to the schema sections. Yeah, they are profile implement schema in their website. Then Google they are fast and they are understand. Even anyone sites in AI search then they are show they are also show in Google sorry AI searching like ChatGPT, because the schema is so important every website, and they are use 45 image without all the 626 without title, without title 45. I think they are use ultras for not all image they are use ultras. Okay, that's enough. Their website 50%, 60-70% website is written, I think in my point of view. And I'm going to the any pages sections like dental and Reynolds. Look at this. Hmm. Go to the again detail section, because our main goal is our page is done, not gonna important your homepage. People are need to what they need, then they are go to the any pages of it. Okay, they use canonical tag. Canonical tag is so important. Then Google understand, even any user understand your website what means this page what you are basically provide service. I gonna you understand, and everything is a goal what count through 2004 and the 70s. There's in their contents parts. I hope you gonna understand. And on the other hand, another way you can easily understand your website is all optimized. Go to the first sections and type site colon click enter. You can understand they are almost their website is 396 pages. That means their website is full well optimized because they are provide large RAM. Means London is England capital. I can understand, and their website have almost 396. That means they are also so large, lots of pages, lots of service they are provide, plus they are also have a lots of content, all optimized SEO content. But go to the no all optimized website and I go look at this just site colon Krakenta. There are 42. There 42 means enough, but I gonna understand it's dependent on location, computers, everything's need, because it's traffic comes so organically, not paidly. That's why this is dependent on location. They are often not even not all optimized or pages, not enough pages. Plus, they are also not all optimized, not use of follow SEO rules, everything. That's why they're not ranking in SCRP. That's why they need all optimize everything's again locate, then they are follow all SEOs, then again they are implement all the things, then after that they are getting rest as impressions. Okay, I think you're gonna understand. Third way is you need to check what's the speed. You can go to the Google and search page speed checker, or then go to the first website and page speed inside and enter your website URL. Okay, this is the first website URL, not all optimized, and allied save and what few times. Mm, and on a all optimized website, I'm copy this website URL and enter. Then I compare. Then you can easily understand. You are a local business owner. Then you not need to any you just firstly you understand your website is all optimized or not. Okay, this is the all optimized website. Their website LCP, large content pool paint. That means when any user come like I'm go to the Google, then search and then show the result and go to the any website, click their website, then how many times loading, like their website loading less than 3 seconds. That means their website is ever speed, not slow website. But when any user come their website and click, then this is loading, then user are confused and they are back and go to the analysis, and then this website increase bounce rate. I think you can understand. That's why your website is I think you understand optimize website, but it's our technical part. Your website is uh, main problem is technical parts like speed issues. You don't gonna get enough traffic lessons. I think you understand. And look at this, not all optimized is 57. That's not good website speed performance. But all optimized website, they are website almost performance 2 seconds almost they are website loading. But this also is not gonna good. They are website almost anyone click. They are website then almost spend 5.4 seconds. You understand how you basically understand your website is optimized or not optimized. It's just basically, not deeply. I think you're gonna understand on why you are not getting traffic. First is go to the your website and install detailed assistance or ESEO mirror anyone. And another is go to the inspect section, then you can check your website title, descriptions, canonicals, a heading tag, and then image alt text, internal linking is so important. Check internal linking schema. That's it. And then site is website perceptions site dot colon, then check how many website your website have lots of content, and this content is a larger thing, and this content is useful or duplicate, and put this your website have a thing or large content, and put this is sorry both of it I don't know. Last is your website speed check. Your website is everything's good. Means your website anyone click then performance. Your website performance like think about 90 to 90 over, not 90, and like website 50 70 score. That means website speed issues. You need to optimize your speed. Means technical parts. And your website everything's good. You can start after getting leads, sales, and impressions. And lastly, I think understand. Lastly, I briefly myself. Actually, I am as a research specialist and my name is Orrgo. Basically, I am providing info service. Your website not all optimized, then you can use I am me, and I am solve your problem. And after optimize website, after after a few weeks, you can start getting leads, impressions, and more calls. Thank you so much for this video, and I think you're gonna understand why is the main problem and how you identify, plus how to optimize your website. You know need to alone optimize your website. You need to hire anyone like me, then he solve your problem. And thank you so much for this video.